They say the clock never stopped ticking, not even after the man who built it died. In 1897, a lonely clockmaker was found lifeless in his workshop. But that night, something strange happened. The clock he built began ticking on its own, and it only ticked once a day at midnight. Locals said they could hear it chime 12 times 1 for every soul that passed that day. For years, it never missed a night, until one cold winter evening when it went silent. That same night, not a single person in town died. Some say the clock still waits for the next soul brave enough to wind it again.